Have you ever thought about what happens when a will actually gets disputed? What are usually the legal grounds for disputing a will? Well, my friend, I can tell you that if you have many children and you disinherited one of the children, chances are that child will be contesting your will. They will be bringing up some reason why they think that you mistakenly left them out of the will. Or they may be saying you were unduly influenced by one of the other children that made you write a will this way. And so most of the times when I see contests with a will, it's because somebody was totally left out of the will altogether. And granted, sometimes some of those people deserve to be left out of your will, but sometimes strategically leaving them out altogether may not be the best thing. But regardless, let's talk about some of the reasons why somebody may be contesting a will. Well, first of all, capacity. Meaning this person didn't have the mental fortitude, the mental stability, the mental clarity to create a will. And usually that's because somebody's saying that the person had dementia, Parkinson's, some kind of cognitive disability, which makes it unreasonable to believe that this person really understood that they were doing a will, that they knew the extent of their bounty, actually what they own, or who was a part of their family. And so somebody can challenge based on capacity. Another high frequency reason why people challenge a will is because they're saying that the person was unduly influenced by somebody else. And usually this happens when you have one person in the home with the person that passed away, the decedent, and they're saying, oh, you had such high contact with the decedent and you unduly made them change their will to favor you, or you made them draft this will to favor you. And this happens a lot with caregivers, where you have a caregiver come into the home to take care of the decedent, and then suddenly a new will appears and all the children are written out of the will. And this person who was taking care of the person is now the sole beneficiary of that will. So usually you have undue influence as being the next thing. The third reason why I see wills get challenged a lot is not because of undue influence or incapacity, but sometimes a will get challenged because something big happens after the will is drafted. So this is usually a marriage, or a common law relationship, or the birth of a child. For some people, they wrote their will before they had children. Then they have children and they forgot to update their will to include that child. Well, the state of Texas is not going to let you disinherit your newly born child. And so that's usually a situation where you have a contest. Another time is when you have a will and then you get married or you enter into a common law relationship. Almost always that will gets disputed because the wife or the husband is coming and saying, okay, this will was drafted before marriage. My loved one would have never disinherited me. He just didn't remember. This will is a mistake. And usually that's what happens. So usually those are the instances where I'm seeing will contest comes up. I hope that helps. I hope that gives you some clarity. And again, if you like videos like this, please smash like and also subscribe to our channel so that you can get the videos fresh off the press. My name is Megan Truick, and go ahead, like us, watch another video. Thank you. Hello, thank you for watching our video. And because you made it to the end of that video, we're offering you our new estate planning handbook. This is a wonderful tool and I'm sure you like it. Go ahead, download the link and let's get learning together.